When it comes to custom die-cut gaskets, understanding the factors that influence their cost can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, we are going to break down the 5 main factors that affect the cost of your gasket and how you can know if custom gaskets are needed for your application. The cost of custom gasket cutting varies widely. It can range anywhere from $500 to as much as $80,000, depending on the scale of the project, the complexity of the design, and the tolerances specified. Additionally, the cost is heavily influenced by the type of die cutting needed, such as rotary die cutting, which may require more expensive tools for intricate designs, but will result in a lower price per part. There is a big difference between cutting out a circle and using a rotary die to cut out a complex design. So when we look at the cost of gaskets, we see these 5 key factors influencing the cost. The function of the gasket, the different gasket materials, the size of the gasket, the design tolerances, and the custom gasket production costs. Each of these factors plays a critical role in determining the complexity of production and consequently the price. The function of the gasket has a significant impact on cost. A gasket's purpose determines the design complexity, material choice, and the level of precision needed. For example, a simple foam gasket designed to trap air will cost less than a gasket used in high-performance applications. Additionally, gaskets that must endure extreme conditions, such as a sealing gasket against liquid or outdoor exposure, often demand premium materials and tools, increasing their cost. The choice of materials accounts for 70 to 80% of the total cost of a custom gasket. General purpose materials like open cell foam are less expensive and easier to process, making them ideal for less demanding applications. However, specialized materials such as silicone foam, which is commonly used in medical applications, can be significantly more expensive. The type of material directly affects the gasket's ability to seal substrates, resist leakage, and endure environmental stress, which in turn determines the cost. The size of the gasket is a major cost driver. Gaskets are cut from a sheet of material or a section on a roll, and the inside shape and the outside waste are removed to create the gasket. Larger gaskets, or those with larger diameters, often result in more material waste because of the material removed from the center of the design. While some converters employ techniques like nesting parts or creating segmented gaskets to minimize waste, these methods may introduce additional costs or trade-offs, such as reduced durability of the joints. Therefore, understanding the balance between material efficiency and design integrity is crucial when determining gasket size. Design tolerances can greatly influence the cost of production. Tighter tolerances require higher precision during cutting, which can slow down production, demand more advanced tooling, or dictate a certain manufacturing method that costs more. This is particularly true when working with thicker materials, which are more challenging to process with tight tolerances. The more precise the tolerances, the more setup time and machine calibration are needed, leading to higher labor and tooling costs. Production costs include the setup, breakdown, machine runtime, and labor expenses. Production requires machine calibration for running a new product, the actual time for the product to run, and cleaning machines after they are run. The more complicated the custom gasket is, the longer your production processes will be. Custom die-cut gaskets are a practical choice for applications where off-the-shelf options do not meet specific requirements. The decision to invest in custom gaskets largely depends on the unique needs of the application, including the desired material, size, functionality, and design tolerances. If your project demands a tailored solution to ensure reliable sealing or precise performance, custom gaskets offer significant advantages. However, it is important to consider the associated costs, particularly for tooling and setup, which can be substantial for complex designs. Consulting with a flexible material converter can provide clarity on the process and help you navigate the options available, ensuring that you make an informed decision tailored to your specific application. If you have any specific questions or want to learn more, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.